Okay, today we'll see how do we create a backdoor to a Linux machine where the FTP port is open. So the first thing that we need to do is run the virtual box where my Kali Linux is running, and then we'll just see in the vulnerable machine which are the open ports. So I'm doing in map scan, which shows me that the FTP port is open 21. So now the next step is we start the MSF console. So what we do is first we start the service for post GRE SQL and start. Okay, now we start the MSF console. I am starting it in quiet mode. Post the MSF console is in, we'll have to search for the vulnerabilities with FTP port which are available. It's taking some time to get the MSF console. Okay, we are in. Now let's search for the FTP port vulnerability FSVSFTPD. And we have the vulnerability name listed out. Use the vulnerability. I'll be providing the commands that I'm typing here in the comment section, so you can explore them one by one. Once you have fired the command to use the exploit, the next step is show options or show info. So this says that we need to set the R host. R host is the target machine's IP address. So let's do it. Set RHOST. Target machine is 192.168.107, and port on the target machine, let it be the same. So we're done. Now we'll say show payloads, because we need a control back from the vulnerable machine, so we'll have to set the payload, and the first command is show payload, and then we'll set the payload. Okay, then set payload equals to set payload okay. Now the payload is set. Now the next step is simply say exploit. Okay, we have the session now. So once we gain the session in the vulnerable machine or the victim's machine, you can do a pwd to check which current directory you are in. You are in the root directory, and then you can go to the root directory and then say ls-lrt to check what all files are there in the root directory of that machine. You can browse to different directories of that machine, put your file or execute any command that you want. So by this we end this video. you know how to gain access or get a session from the victim machine or the target machine, and then execute your program there.